If you're experiencing a verification pending status with Synovus Bank, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the verification process efficiently. Step 1. Check your email. Review your email for any communication from Synovus Bank. They may have sent you instructions or additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Synovus Bank account online or through the mobile app. Ensure you are using the correct login credentials to avoid any access issues. Step 3. Verify your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification is still pending, reach out to Synovus Bank's customer support. You can call or use their online chat feature to get assistance from a representative. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or account notifications for updates. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status with Synovus Bank. If problems persist, continue to seek assistance from their support team.